Hello, welcome to this session where we are doing CMOS circuits, and let's find out what is the output current in this particular circuit. The W by L ratios of these circuits are given at each transistor. There is an input current of 1 milliampere coming on the far left, and the problem statement says if V1 equal to 0 and V2 equal to VDD, find I out. This problem can be solved as follows. The bottom two transistors here act like current mirror. So in a current mirror, the ratio of the currents is given is directly proportional to the W by L ratios of the mirror circuits. So if in this branch there's a 1 milliampere current flowing through a W by L circuit of 2, whereas in W by L 3 there is the ratio of the current is going to be 3 by 2, so it is 1.5 times the other current, so it is 1.5 milliampere. Now here on the top there is also a current mirror where the amount of current I is flowing through a W by L ratio of 10, whereas the output, the I W by L ratio is 4 times. So the current flowing through the output here is 4I. Now let us apply the conditions where V1 equal to 0 and V2 equal to VDD. In this particular condition, V1 is an NMOS device with this value 0, so it is turned off. Here V2 equal to VDD, so it is the VGS is on, so the transistor is turned on and current will flow. Since the currents that flow through both the legs, in this leg when the current is low, the entire 1.5 milliampere current flows through the right side leg here, and this 1.5 milliampere is equal to I. So the current I through the transistor here is equal to 1.5 milliampere. So equivalently, when we have 4 times the value flowing here, so we have the I out current is equal to 4 times 1.5 milli, which is 6 milliampere. Thank you.